Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is having a good day. Now guys, on our menu today, we're making prawns Raisukaree. This curry sauce took me only 30 minutes to make, and I tell you, it is absolutely delicious. I have made this curry sauce 3 times and I've enjoyed it every single time. If you're looking for a quick yet delicious midweek dish, then please do not look any further. Try it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And now let's begin.
For this recipe, we will need the following ingredients: king prawns, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, chilies, red onion, paprika, Mangetout, Maggi cube, coconut milk, minced garlic, minced ginger, white pepper, vegetable oil or any oil of your choice, sesame seeds for garnishing, lime for garnishing, and to add to the sauce, sea salt, fish sauce, and red Thai curry paste. I will link all the measurements in the description below. Firstly, I'm seasoning the king prawns with some white pepper, paprika, and some sea salt. I'll set this aside for later use. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil to your pan. Allow the oil to heat up before adding the onions, ginger, and garlic. Now add 2 tablespoons of the red Thai curry paste to the onions, ginger, and garlic and simmer on high heat for about 2 minutes. Now add the coconut milk to the pan and allow this to simmer for 1 minute. Season the sauce with 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, half a teaspoon of white pepper, half Maggi cube, and a quarter lime juice. Allow the sauce to reduce for about 3 to 4 minutes before adding the chopped vegetables. Now add the prawns and allow the sauce to simmer for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. The prawns should only take about 4 minutes to cook. As soon as they turn pink, the prawns are done. Taste your sauce and adjust seasoning if needed. And in 30 minutes, you have yourself a delicious, mild,
coconutty citrus curry with prawns and peppers. I served mine with rice. I sprinkled on some sesame seed, chilies, fresh coriander, and a wedge of lime. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope to see you at the next video, and please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification icon. I'll see you next time. Bye.